What's up, everyone? All right, well, here we are. It's a rainy day in the Berkshires, but today is my 7th consecutive green day, and I'm up just under $3,000. A really solid day. So I'm feeling good about that. This is a great way to finish the week, which is the bad news. The market's closed tomorrow, but those of you guys who are subscribed to the channel, I will be streaming at 9:15, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically replay my trades from today, starting with my watch list, and I'm going to go through it, and because we don't have to worry about the bell ringing and having to focus on trading, I can go slow. I can answer all the questions that you guys have, and I think you'll really enjoy it. So make sure you're subscribed. You'll get the notification when I go live. It'll be right around 9:15 tomorrow. And those of you who haven't already downloaded the Beginner's Getting Started Guide, right down there in the description, click that link and get started on your journey to learning how to day trade. All right, so that's it for me. Enjoy the recap, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, everyone, so we're gonna go over the trades from this morning. I'm gonna sit today up $2,961.95, trading two stocks right off the watch list, CLSK and CNSP. So why don't we kind of rewind this back to the beginning of the day. This was our gap scanner at, let's see, 9:25 a.m. So at 9:25 a.m. this was our top 5 or 6 gappers. Leading gapper was USWS. Never really heard of this stock before. It's at 99 cents right now, and it had made this huge move, but had already given back so much of it, I really had no interest in it. I just figured it would not be easy to trade, and it wasn't even worth it. So I had no interest in this one. The next one down was CLSK. CLSK ended up making a pretty big move pre-market. It had the first pullback here at 220, the second pullback here at 3, and then the third pullback right here at 320 that resulted in a false breakout, a dip down, but then by the open, it was up here at 361. So this ended up not being... It was pretty extended by the time the bell was ringing, so I was a little bit nervous about it, but I felt like it looked really good for a breakout. So what I actually did on this one is I had an order ready to go. I think it was 370. So let me just grab this recording here. Let's see, where is it? Okay. Hey, girl, pull it together. Sorry, guys. Hey, girl, you want to go outside? Go on outside. Go on, outside. Outside. See you. All right, so let's see. Right, okay, so let me get this live. So this is the live trade from this morning. So the bell's about to ring. CLSK is the one that I'm watching, and I was also watching CNSP, but we'll talk about that one in a second. So right here, the bell's about to ring, and I'm looking at this, and I'm like, this is clearly a long right here over 360, right? The pre-market high. So, so that was the spot that I was watching, and I have my order here at 380. I guess I moved it down to 370. The bell rings. I click the buy button right here. And look at this. This is the problem. It's going without me. So I unfortunately on this one, I was a little too aggressive by putting the order at 370. Or maybe that's conservative. I didn't give myself enough room of slippage. And so in this case, I only filled a partial position, but it ended up filling and taking a trade as it squeezed up here through the high of 450. Now, while I'm trading, I don't actually know how much I'm up or down. As you can see right here, my P&L is hidden, so I have my profit per share in my open P&L, but I don't know after I've taken a few trades how much I've made. Now, what I'm going to do tomorrow, the market's closed tomorrow, but I'm going to log in tomorrow, same time as usual, and what I'll do is a very kind of slow and methodical replay of today. So I'll go through the whole process of how I found these stocks I was trading, my entries, my exits on CLSK. So, I mean, typically I do a little bit of that during the recap, but tomorrow I'm going to do it from about 9:15 until probably whenever we finish Q&A. So maybe that'll be 10 or 10:30 or something like that. All right, so that's going to be tomorrow morning. And that'll be right here in the regular chat room. I would generally probably just do it for Warrior Pro students in the Warrior Pro room, but I'll, just to make things simple, I'll just do it in the small cap room tomorrow. All right, so CLSK, nice gap and go trade from 360 up to 415. Nice 20% breakout. It pulls back, it does first 1 minute candle to make a new high right here, drops back down and starts to sell off. Right here, it comes up for the break of VWAP. I took this trade here and lost probably like 200 bucks on it. I got back in right here and made like $1,000. This was a really nice trade, squeezed all the way back up to 415. And with that was my last trade of the day. Now I did have a trade on CNSP, and this was kind of disappointing because we were watching CNSP pre-market, and I was looking at it in this area thinking, this looks good for break over 364. It breaks, it hits 4, then it squeezes to 420, 450, 460, all the way up to 5, then to a high of 550. By the time the bell rang, it was a little extended. I bought this pullback right here, and it popped up to a high of 560. But then it ended up fading off that level. So a small winner there on CNSP, a nice trade, couple nice trades on CLSK, and right now, today is going to be my 7th consecutive green day. So 7 green days in a row, putting a little bit of profit in my pocket here for the month of April. I guess I'm probably up around, I don't know, I'd have to check my P&L on the month, but I would definitely over $10,000 on the month, which is, not bad a weekend. I mean, really, all things considered, that's pretty good. It feels like a little bit of a contradiction to be making more money with smaller share size, but that is actually exactly what's happened in these last 7 days. So, I don't know. I can't help but feel that if I had taken 10,000 or 12,000 shares today, I might have been able to make more on CLSK. But the $200 winner on CNSP would have almost definitely been a loser because this was an ugly false breakout. And in fact, on some of these trades on CLSK, we also had false breakouts. So I don't know. It's right now what I'm doing seems to be working. 7 green days in a row, some money in my pocket. So I'll be back at it Monday morning. Of course, no trading tomorrow with the market being closed. Nice job for those who are trading this one. Unreal. So 350 all the way up to 450, 550, $6. At a certain point, you have to know when to walk away. And it's not that there isn't more money to be made. It's just that you want to walk away with profit in your pocket. And I'm doing that today. And I hope a lot of you guys are doing that as well. So anyways, that's about it for me here. Short week, markets are closed tomorrow, but we'll do a special event in the chat room, regular time. So those who feel like joining, you're welcome to be in the room, and I'll probably stream on YouTube, at least the very beginning of that, the way I would a typical pre-market watch list. So that'll be the game plan for tomorrow. You might see me jump on live later today. I did a special episode last night of our crossing of 500,000 subscribers, which was really awesome. So that was cool last night. And it's just been, kind of making the most of being at home right now under this quarantine and shelter-in-place stuff. And it's nice to be able to connect with those of you guys out there that are also at home and well, for those of you trying to work on trading and learn a little bit more about it, I'm happy to help you. So anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow morning, and hopefully we have some really nice, well, we're not gonna have any stocks on the gap scan, it's a replay, so I'm so used to saying that, but hopefully we have a nice day. And it's rainy here today in the Berkshires, so maybe tomorrow's a little sunnier and we can have a nice little morning education session and then go out and enjoy the day. All right, you guys, I'll see you, most of you tomorrow, and everyone else, I'll see you on Monday. Okay, bye you guys. Enjoy the long weekend. Hey, did you know every morning I go live to stream my pre-market watch list? Subscribe to the channel, press the alert button, and you'll get the notifications. And if you want to learn more about trading, check out the links in the description. And if you have questions, post them in the comments, because I personally respond to every comment posted on my channel.